Hey y'all, this is Karen with RenovatedFaith.com, and this week on the blog we have this old thrift store nativity set, and it's fine, it's in good shape, but I want to update it a little bit. I want to give it a makeover so it goes a little bit better with my Christmas decor. So to do that, we are going to spray paint it white so it kind of mimics the look of white porcelain. And then we're going to add a little bit of glitter, not much, just a little bit. We don't want to go overboard. And that will give it just a whole new look. And this is great for a thrift store find or a really sentimental nativity scene that maybe you just want to give it an update. And you can easily do that while still bringing it out every year and enjoying it. So stick with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. All right, we are ready to spray paint the nativity set to give it a little bit of an update. So the first thing we're gonna do is spread in everything out and shake the spray paint a little bit. And the trick to spray painting is doing light coats. You're gonna be tempted to cover it all at once. Don't do that. Just do a light coat, wait 30 minutes, do another light coat, and do that until it's covered, and it will look awesome. Okay, so now that we've spray painted the nativity set, I gave it 2 days to dry, and now we're gonna add just a little bit of glitter on their shoulders and on their heads just to give it an accent, kind of like snow has been falling. So to do that, we are going to brush on a little bit of Mod Podge. So just brush it on. And then I got some clear glitter, extra fine glitter, and we're going to add a little bit of that. Be sure to do this over a paper plate. And that's it. I love the way the glitter looks. And we are going to let these dry, and then they are ready to be put out with the rest of our Christmas decor.